Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss Worksheet 12 of Subject Science, which is issued for 31st July 2020. So, here we see that Jigyasa tells her brother Gyan, when we go on dividing matter physically, then a stage will come when particles obtained cannot be divided further. जिज्ञासा अपने भाई को बताती है कि जब हम मैटर को फिज़िकली डिवाइड करते हैं तब एक ऐसा स्टेज आएगा जब उसके पार्टिकल्स आगे डिवाइड नहीं हो पाएंगे. दीज पार्टिकल्स फॉर्म द मैटर और यही पार्टिकल्स मिलके एक मैटर बनाते हैं. कैन यू टेल व्हाट डू वी कॉल देम साइंटिफिकली? नाउ Gyan tells her sister, Jigyasa Didi, scientifically, these particles are called as molecules. Gyan जिज्ञासा को बताता है कि scientifically इन particles को हम molecule कहते हैं. The molecules are the basic unit of matter. जो molecules होते हैं वो सभी matter के basic unit होते हैं. मतलब matter molecules का बना होता है. These molecules can further be divided chemically to form another invisible particle known as atom. इन molecules को आगे जब हम chemically divide करते हैं तब हमें एक invisible particle मिलता है और उन्हें हम atom कहते हैं. Atoms are the building blocks of all matter. Atoms सभी मैटर के बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स होते हैं. जैसे किसी भी बिल्डिंग के लिए ईंट उसकी बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक होती है. मतलब ईंट के बिना कोई भी बिल्डिंग नहीं बन सकती है. उसी तरह से एटम्स के बिना कोई भी मैटर नहीं बन सकते हैं. नाउ जिज्ञासा आस्क्स हर ब्रदर, हाउ बिग आर द एटम्स? कैन वी सी देम? Now, Gyan tells Jigyasa, no Didi, atoms are very small. They're smaller than anything that we can imagine. Gyan अपनी बहन को बताता है कि एटम्स इतने छोटे होते हैं कि हम उन्हें इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. A thin sheet of paper consists of millions of atoms. एक बहुत पतली शीट भी millions of atoms की बनी होती है. The size of the atoms are measured in nanometer and 1 nanometer equals to 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter, which is equal to 1 billionth part of a meter. Atoms का जो साइज होता है वो नैनोमीटर में मेजर किया जाता है और 1 नैनोमीटर 10 रेज़ टू द पावर माइनस 9 मीटर की इक्वल होता है, जो 1 मीटर का 1 बिलियंथ पार्ट होता है. दिस मीन्स that they are so small that we can't even see with our naked eyes. So we see that if we divide matter continuously, then we reach a stage where it cannot be divided further, and these are known as molecules. When molecules are divided chemically, then atoms are formed, and these are the smallest invisible part of any matter. Atoms are mostly very reactive in nature, so they react with each other to form a molecule. One atom reacts with other atom to form a molecule. For example, one atom of oxygen reacts with other atom of oxygen to form molecule of oxygen. When we are asked to tell the smallest thing we can imagine, then the first thing comes in our mind is an ant. But what if you are told to tell something more smaller than an ant? Then we think of a sugar grain because it is smaller than an ant. And A sand grain, it is even smaller than a sugar grain. But what if you're asked something that you cannot see with a naked eyes? The things that comes in our mind is a bacteria. We cannot see them with our naked eyes. But what about microscope? Yes, we can see them. But atoms cannot be even seen under a microscope. So, the smallest thing is an atom. A bacteria is also made up of millions of atoms. The size of an atom of hydrogen is 10 raised to the power minus 10 meters. The size of a water molecule is 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. The size of a sand particle is 10 raised to the power minus 4 meters. The size of an ant is 10 raised to the power minus 2 meters. And the size of a watermelon seed is 10 raised to the power minus 1 meter approximately. So now we have seen that everything around us, animals, trees, plants, tables, chair, and we as well are made up of atoms. We have studied each and everything in today's worksheet, and I hope you all understood it very well. Now try attempting the question answers on your own. If you face any problem while attempting the questions, then you may watch the rest of the video where I have given answers to all the questions. Thank you.